Zhuhai, baby. Zhuhai, baby. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. It's Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Always more to see, always more places to go. Let's see what's down the street. Let's wander and meander. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Walking all around and checking it all out. Checking out all Zhuhai street by street. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby.
So right over there is Qingmao port, and we also have the train station right here, so you can see way up there the fast trains. There's a station where they can have a platform, and it just keeps on going all the way down that way. That's all part of Zhuhai as well, and we have all these buildings over here too, so we're going to explore and just kind of check out this in front of Qingmao. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so we're going to be going across there in a second. Yeah, so the trains will come right up through there so you can see some numbers, and that's where you can get on those long distance speed trains. I'm going to go across here. So yeah, Qingmao port is directly that way. Lots of people all the way around in here. Some businesses way over here as well. Pretty cool. So those escalators go up to Qingmao port. And you can see the train line as well. We're going to check out some of these, see what's all around in here. So we have all these businesses in here. I can see Lawson, I can see a handful of them. And I'm just kind of, and there's also some apartments up above. So we're going to take a look and just see what all we can see in here. I want to go a little bit further because I just want to see where the people are going down here. It looks like they go right into, across the street and go into something different. Let me just kind of take a look. I think that might be the way into Macau and such like that. I don't know if there's taxis, maybe not. But it looks like a whole little community back in here. Let me just kind of walk back a little bit further. Huh. So it looks like a community of apartments and different stuff. Don't know what that is. It's a little bit of the skyline of Zhuhai there. Zhuhai railway station and Gongbei port. So those are right there. This is a railway station right there. And I'm just gonna come through here and see what some of these businesses are as we get a little feel for let me see here. Huh, wow, okay. I saw these in Changsha. Nice and spicy, these little lobster stuff. The prices are really good here. Lawson. There's a bakery and Koti. Don't know how to pronounce that. It's a coffee shop. I see it in other places too. Just kind of capture. There's another bakery, lemon tea shop. I've got so many food choices in Zhuhai. It's kind of cool. Oh, these are let me see. It's a kind of fried. Got a 7-Eleven here. Luckin coffee shop. Let me see. This one is it's kind of tasty. Let's see what else we got here. I think this one is Motai liquor, 24 hours. Another bakery. Let's just kind of step out a little bit. I want to walk around the side a little bit and just see what's all in here. So there's the Qingmao port right there. So you go right up. Oh, the street goes all the way down, okay. And I guess you have all these apartments up there too. You know, I could see this when you're across the border at Qingmao port. So I can see this all the way down. So that goes all the way down to the Macau side. So this just follows it all the way down as well. Huh. Don't know, there's a girl up there. Oh, I do like foot cleaning and such like that. Massage. Huh. Buy that a little bit. Another little restaurant here. This is only like 10 mop, 27 mop from Sheshin. Yes, I've been so curious to see what this little neighborhood is, because I can see it from Qingmao, straight that way to the left. Let me just see here. All these restaurants. This one has octopus, so you can actually sit outside too, so there's places to sit. Let's see what else we got. That's a haircut place. I'm kind of curious to see if there's stuff that's also inside as well. And it looks like there is. Oh, okay, it's a gated community. Okay. I guess it just goes all the way down, so... Okay, so I think... Let me turn the camera off and go down there a little bit more. Okay, so to the right is the Qingmao. I'm not gonna film it directly, but you can see this, all this kind of goes around like that around the corner. And then there's also more over on that side too, goes all the way down that way. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna walk inland a little bit because I just want to see what it looks like when you get into it more. But it basically looks like a residential neighborhood with all these apartments everywhere above us. Community. And it looks like there's a lot of places that target people when they come across the border, but also an entire community of apartments as well, including a supermarket here. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, and it looks like it just kind of meanders in different directions. Like we're basically like right in the middle of the community. And it's all on the border. It's like a little Taobao shop. Yeah, that's really interesting. Live the life you love, pluck the day, Hakuna Matata, let it go, free-spirited. Spa. Sound like a bar. Blackout bar. That's what I thought. So there's, I guess there's a spa right there and a bar that's, it's please come in, BO bar. I guess they have a code. So I guess it's a little bit of a private bar. Huh. So kind of interesting. Looks like we could also walk into this community as well. But I want to kind of go around the block. Huh. So I don't know. I wonder if this... I wonder if we can walk through that or not. I'm going to come to a conclusion shortly though. There's a clothing shop. Oh, very interesting. Yeah, it looks like this is a thoroughfare, so we can go. I'm gonna come to this gated spot, and then we're gonna just come to some kind of conclusion. So yeah, we basically have a whole little community in here of all these apartments right on the border. Looks like they go on both sides. And it looks like this one can go into the gate. So I guess there's a gate right there, so they'll probably, oh, maybe not. Then I saw somebody a few minutes ago. Yeah, okay. Zhuhai International Garden, so I guess it's a community. Playground, private, so very, very interesting. And then the train station is like right there. So this community is a little bit separated from... Okay, let's just come to an end. So a little slice of Zhuhai for you. Kind of interesting. I'm just gonna... So we basically just went around the block, but yeah, an entire community. And then we're back where the train station is at. So the train station is straight ahead. So you can watch all the trains go. So if you were trying to get somewhere quick and you lived right here, you could get into Macau quickly. You could get a train to go almost anywhere in China. And then a lot of these apartments are kind of gated community with tons of shops all around and lots of big balcony windows. Interesting. And now we're back out on the front again. All these kind of beautiful pink pastel, and then Qingmao port straight ahead, and the train station. And there's Qingmao port. Really cool. Okay, that'll be the end of our video. Yeah, all these people coming out. So there's to Zhuhai right there. Really, really cool.